with options and space. And he's found Richards. Definitely worth a hit. And he has his first Chelsea goal, didn't he? It's time to go. Torrienen with options and space. And he's found Richards. Definitely worth a hit.
All right, so welcome people to MG Sports TV. As you can see, Dujuan Richards has officially scored his first goal for Chelsea Football Club. We're going to get into some details. Please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, don't know, want to push the show as far as possible. But big up on yourself on everything. Really, really appreciate it. I've been doing a lot of, updates on a regular basis surrounding Whisper, which is quite good because he's a young talent that we want to keep our eyes on. At this present moment, there's so much young talents right across the globe that we have at this present moment, but unfortunately, not a lot of visual coverage that is taking place. Nonetheless, we have visual coverage here, so we're going to give you guys what we get. So, at this present moment, Chelsea defeated Newcastle 7-1. 7-1 their friendly. And actually, the last goal, the seventh goal, was actually a contribution by him, where he actually break through the defense, forcing the defenders hit a shot. I think the striker scored a rebound. I think that was the seventh goal. But nevertheless, big up on himself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. I think I said that already. Anyways, so he's a player that has been really, really trying to find his footing at this present moment in the Chelsea football team. Still haven't necessarily gotten 90 minutes of football under his belt as yet. Not sure the reason why. I'm not sure if there's a bit of trust issue as yet. Still trying to allow him to find his footing. Not sure if his fitness, because he looks sharp. He looks lean. So still kind of questioning why he hasn't really necessarily getting or started a full 90 or gotten a full 90 as yet. But he's getting his moments. I think he came in on the 73rd minute. When he came in, the game was already at, I think it was 4-1. I think the game was already at 4-1 when he came in. So technically, Chelsea was actually already in a comfortable position. He's the one who scored the sixth goal, and I also said contributed to the third that third goal. But at the end of the day, happy to see that he's actually finding his footing, especially in the Chelsea football team. Now he has to continue this. This must continue. He has to continue this at this present moment. The reason being is this is the only way he's going to find himself breaking into the first team. And he has to shine at this level. Now, with him playing U21, you know that means that there's still a lot more levels for him to go. Goes to showcase that football is not necessarily as simple as what we see. But definitely this is a huge positive and a big step in the right direction. As I was saying, once he starts scoring goals and once he get the feel of goals, I know that he's going to start scoring more goals. You just want to get that one feeling out of the way. And once he get that one specific feeling out of the way, I expect a lot more coming from him. That's how he is. He's a goal scorer. But as you can see, it was his trademark goal. Received the ball in the right hand channel, cuts in on his left foot and slot it hard and low in the I think it's the right bottom corner. Yeah, it's in the lower portion of the goal. Quite a trademark Whisper type goal. Didn't really hit with a lot of, well, never look like he hit with a lot of venom still. Normally you'd have smashed that. But maybe this is what he needs to bring back confidence, because as a goal scorer, a lot of attackers really rely on confidence, and this first goal now might just get that feeling of goals, how goals are to be scored, just a relative feeling there of scoring a goal. And I think that's definitely something that it's gonna give him that level of confidence. Hey, you know what? I've already had that muscle memory kicked in. That muscle memory I've already kicked in. Certainly, with that muscle memory, I can most definitely kick on from here and find that level of momentum, find that level of intensity, find that level of hunger and desire to score more goals. Not necessarily saying that it wasn't there in the initial stage. I'm just saying that sometimes you need a trigger, and maybe this goal that he scored here would have definitely been that trigger. So it's first in the Chelsea jersey, and I'm pretty sure that there's a lot more to come. So let this be the trigger for him to kick on and start scoring more goals. Let this be the confidence builder. Let this be the main goal that kickstart his Chelsea career the right way. So no more attempts. No, finally find a ball finding the back of the net. Big up on yourself, people. Won't go any further. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. Continue putting the work, Whisper. Big up yourself. Go on do your work because it's not an easy road. It's going to be difficult, but go on put in the work. Big up yourself. MG Sports TV. We're out, people. Boom.
And he has his first Chelsea goal. With options and space. And he's found Richards. Definitely worth a hit. And he has his first